If you want to record screen on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you can find the screen recorder in quick settings. So over here we can swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle like this. Now we can reveal additional buttons here on this panel, and you should be able to find screen recorder in this place. If you are missing it, if you don't have it, then you can press this pen icon in the top right corner, then press edit here, and you should be able to find the screen recorder in available buttons. You should be able to tap on it in order to add it to the list, and then we can press done twice in the top right corner. So once you tap on the screen recorder, you can choose what sounds you want to record. So you can choose none, media, so all the sounds from the phone, or media and mic. In addition to that, we can show taps and touches, and then we can press start recording. Over here we have the countdown. We can skip it, of course, by pressing this button. And there we go. Here we have some additional tools that we can use while we are screen recording. So for example, if you use this pen, you can draw on the screen. You can, of course, undo that. You can enable and disable the front camera. We can pause the video and stop video recording. And that's pretty much it. Once the screen recorder is done, once we save it, we can, for example, find the notification about it. So we can tap on it in order to immediately open it, or you can go to gallery in order to find your screen recording here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.